Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our presentation on the art of making irresistible offers. Today, we're going to explore the power of crafting a compelling offer that your customers simply can't resist. In today's fast-paced and competitive business world, having the ability to create irresistible offers is more important than ever before. It can mean the difference between success and failure. So, buckle up and get ready to learn how to master this essential skill. An irresistible offer is a powerful tool that can transform your business. By creating an offer that is too good to refuse, you can attract new customers, retain existing ones, and increase your revenue. One example of the power of an irresistible offer is Domino's Pizza's 30 minutes or its free guarantee. This offer was so compelling that it helped Domino's become one of the most successful pizza chains in the world. Another example is Amazon's free shipping offer, which has helped the company dominate the online retail market. To make an irresistible offer, you need to understand your customers' needs and desires. This means going beyond demographics and really getting to know what motivates them. One way to do this is by conducting surveys or focus groups to gather information about their preferences. Another way is to analyze their behavior and interactions with your brand on social media or your website. By understanding your customer, you can tailor your offer to meet their specific needs and create a sense of personalization that will make it more appealing. For example, if you're selling a product to busy moms, you might emphasize how your product can save them time and simplify their lives. If you're targeting budget-conscious shoppers, you might offer a discount or bundle deal. Ultimately, the key to making an irresistible offer is understanding what your customer wants and needs, and then delivering it in a way that speaks directly to them. Crafting an irresistible offer is all about understanding your customer and creating a solution that meets their needs. Start by identifying your customer's pain points and desires, and use this information to create a unique value proposition. Next, focus on the benefits of your offer and make them clear and compelling. Use social proof, such as testimonials or case studies, to demonstrate the effectiveness of your solution. Finally, make your offer easy to understand and act upon, with a clear call to action that motivates your customer to take action. One of the most common objections you may face when making an irresistible offer is price. Customers often hesitate to make a purchase because they feel that the product or service is too expensive. To overcome this objection, you need to demonstrate the value of your offer. Show them how your product or service can solve their problems or meet their needs better than any other option available in the market. Another common objection is trust. Customers may be hesitant to do business with you if they don't know you well enough or have had bad experiences with similar products or services in the past. To overcome this objection, you need to build trust and credibility with your customers. Provide social proof, such as customer reviews or testimonials, to demonstrate that others have had positive experiences with your product or service. In conclusion, we've learned that mastering the skill of making irresistible offers can transform your business and lead to significant growth. It all starts with understanding your customer and crafting an offer that meets their needs and desires. By overcoming objections and closing the deal, you can turn potential customers into loyal fans. Remember, making irresistible offers is not just about increasing sales, it's about creating value for your customers and building long-lasting relationships. So take action and start implementing what you've learned today. Your business, and your customers, will thank you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and we will catch you on the next one.